if you provide care, it works both ways. Like the person has to feel cared for as well. Healthcare has the word care in it for a reason.
Basically like an all-in-one like a medical care package of sorts.
Healthcare can be a lot more things beyond just insurance.
Healthcare is a complete package that one must have with them.
Time to time consultancy, time to time test जो healthcare body के लिए होता है.
Health insurance is not enough, healthcare, like before I used to think that health care is all about health insurance, but now I think healthcare is a complete package that one must have with them.
Now I don't think that it would be sufficient to just think of health insurance as healthcare. I understand that healthcare can be a lot more things beyond just insurance.
So what I've realized is that the additional benefits of like having a healthcare plan is that you will have guidance in from the doctor's team in settling your claim, and consulting you. You will have basically guidance across the board. So that's basically like an add-on to health insurance.
When you talk about healthcare, it's one fraction of the overall care package.
हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस सिर्फ हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस ही इनफ नहीं है. जैसे ऑनसीओटी है हमारा, ऑनसीओटी ने हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस के अलावा प्लस फ्री कंसल्टेंसी दी है डॉक्टर की, प्लस सबसे बड़ी बात है इंश्योरेंस में क्लेम सेटलमेंट. ऑनसीओटी हमारा एक सर्विस प्रोवाइडर है जो बहुत ही अच्छे तरह से क्लेम सेटलमेंट हैंडल करती है. हर एम्प्लॉयर को ये प्राइम रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि अपनी एम्प्लॉय को जो उनके लिए दिन रात मेहनत कर रहे हैं, उनके लिए कुछ ना कुछ सेफ्टी as a social securities at least provide kare.
Definitely. It would have been completely out of my pocket if not for my workplace.
Definitely, it's like one of the fundamentals, right? So that your employees don't have to worry about healthcare and bearing the costs, like unexpected costs of healthcare, right?
I do think yes. I mean, Onsurety was onboarded with my company very recently. This actually, made me feel a lot more secure within the company. I met with an accident while cycling, and that sort of blacked me out for quite some time. My friends were called and they took me to the hospital. So from the first day, obviously they didn't know that I had a healthcare plan. But the second day, once everything sort of came back to me and I let them know, after that it's been very smooth.
I had an ACL tear. I required surgical reconstruction of that ligament. Then I heard about Onsurety for the first time. It was actually quite easy for me to understand. Really, really helpful.
So it was like I've got an accident into my right leg, and when I was taken to the hospital, the doctor said that we have to go through a K-wire surgery. So in this tough time, I connected through my company and then through the Onsurety team. Everything went so smooth.
Basically, I think she was diagnosed with a particular illness around December first week, right? And the only thing that I had to do was basically inform the Onsurety good doctors team. Your team was sort of very quick to get on a call, explain what corrective actions were needed, and that basically ensured that things got done in a very timely manner.
पैनक्रियास स्वेल हो गया था, उसकी ट्रीटमेंट चल रही थी. फिर अगले दिन कोविड डिस्कवर हुआ. ऑनसीओटी जो कार्ड प्रोवाइड की थी वो सबमिट की. फिर मैंने गुड डॉक्टर्स टीम से कंसल्ट किया, बहुत अच्छे से रिस्पॉन्स किया.
As I mentioned, when I had the accident, I did black out and I don't remember quite a few things from that day. My friends were not only told about what the process will be, but the doctor helped calm my friend down and sort of help her understand that this happens and sort of take her through the fact that okay, now this has happened, but what's more important is to start the recovery process.
Good doctors team works fabulous. मुझे तो 1% की भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं आई. जब भी बात किया, full 110% रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के साथ उन्होंने हेल्प किया है.
Very, very helpful. Very, and more than helpful, I would say very prompt. I wasn't given the chance to sit and even imagine the worst case scenario.
They followed up until I was discharged from the hospital, even after for the post hospitalization expenses.
Yes, so the team was basically very professional and extremely helpful.
Having this healthcare plan by Onsurety has just given me a good amount of security. I feel mentally quite, at peace that now I know that, even if something has to go wrong, I know what to do. I know the steps to sort of go through.
I was actually trying to get some sort of a similar plan for my parents. It is not easily available in the market. That helped me, in not worrying about, if I face any unexpected medical costs in the future.
श्योरिटी का एक पूरा पैकेज है जिसमें कंसल्टेंसी है, डॉक्टर का फिटनेस वेबिनार्स भी होते हैं, मेडिकल डिस्काउंट पर मेडिसिन परचेज में डिस्काउंट है, टेस्ट में डिस्काउंट्स है। तो मैं एटलीस्ट अपने तरफ से मैं टेंशन फ्री रहूंगा कि मुझे अगर कुछ ऐसा हेल्थ की तरफ से कुछ हो तो I can easily approach to OnCOT.
Before this injury, I didn't know much about the online lab facilities, healthcare facilities that are available. Only after I've got this OnSurety app on my cell phone, it was very convenient that at the convenience of your home, you're getting the things done.
A little background about me personally. Both my parents are deceased, right? I'm in my early 20s. If not for this, sort of backing that I had, this would have left a very big dent for me personally. I'm very, very grateful to have this plan. It's a benchmark for what healthcare should be.
लाइफलाइन है, या मैं एक वर्ड में कैसे डिफाइन करूं OnSurety इतनी सारी बेनिफिट देते हैं।
OnSurety is that complete healthcare package that one must have to make their life easier.
I would say it's just a very good all-in-one healthcare provider.
OnSurety has certainly opened my eyes to like being an all-round complete package.
A team like the one at OnSurety would make things smoother for everybody involved. So I would highly recommend it.
सबको एक्चुअली रिकमेंड भी कर रहा हूँ कि आप अगर एम्प्लॉयर है तो आप अपने लिए भी कवर कीजिए। OnSurety के साथ अप्लाई करेंगे तो एज एम्प्लॉयर साथ में मैं अपने फैमिली मेंबर को भी ऐड कर सकता हूँ, एम्प्लॉइज भी अपने फैमिली मेंबर को ऐड कर सकते हैं। 110% रिकमेंड करूँगा।